That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow morning. News and updates. Have a great day.
Go Pythons! Just kidding, Pythons. Today we're going backwards.
Time work today. Time work.
Now here are your daily announcements. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I just wish I had someone to go to home with.
Surprise!
For me?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Miss Andrade. I'm the assistant principal of Somerset Preparatory Academy. And I'm so excited because I get to introduce Peppy the Python. It's our first official mascot, and he's going to be doing his grand appearance at the pep rally next week for homecoming. Be ready to see our first, loud and proud, Peppy the Python. Good Python!
Today is Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024.
I'm Marco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra, and you're watching Python TV.